Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cancel a transfer on PayPal. First, log into your PayPal account on a web browser or through the mobile app. Navigate to your activity page, which displays all recent transactions. Locate the specific transfer you wish to cancel and click on its details. This initial check is crucial for determining if a cancellation is even possible, as timing is everything with these requests. If the transfer status is pending or unclaimed, you are likely in a good position to cancel it. On the Transaction Details page, look for a Cancel button. Click on this to initiate the cancellation process. Confirm your decision when prompted to complete the action. Transfers often remain pending for up to 30 days if the recipient has not yet accepted them, giving you a clear window of opportunity. Should the transfer status show completed, direct cancellation is unfortunately no longer an option through the standard process. In this situation, your best course of action is to request a refund from the recipient. Go to the activity page, find the transaction, and select Issue a Refund. Clearly explain the reason for your request to the recipient, ensuring they understand the situation fully. Communicating directly with the recipient is always the fastest and most effective first step for a completed transfer. Send them a polite message explaining the error and requesting the funds back. If you encounter difficulties or the recipient is unresponsive after several days, contact PayPal's customer service for further guidance. They can review your case and offer additional steps or dispute resolution processes if needed, but it may take several business days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.